going to be doing a super fun challenge. So, the challenge is that we are going to spin a wheel. So on the wheel there's either slime, balloon, or water.
So S stands for slime, B stands for balloon,
And
W stands for water.
yeah. Okay, and we have here the water balloons. And we have here the slime. So whoever lands on slime, they have to put slime in here and dump it on that person. Okay! Are you guys ready? Yeah! Okay, Heidi, are you ready? Yeah? Okay, on 3, 2, 1. Good job, Heidi! Okay, balloon. This is how we're gonna find some balloons. Okay, guys, so the dad's birthday is tomorrow. Wish him a happy birthday. So since he's turning 10, we're gonna put in 10 balloons. 6.
Why 10?
Because your birthday's tomorrow. Good? 9.
I think 9 was on 9.
10. Tomorrow you're turning 10. Ready? Double number. Okay. 5, 4, 3. That wasn't bad. This is the number 9. 10 years old. Good idea. That's it. That's it. That's it. Right. That's it, Adriel. That's it. My God. No, this is perfect. Come on, Zidane, we're celebrating your birthday. You can do it, Zidane. Slide, slide. Come on, Heidi. 3, 2, 1, go. Slide, 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 slide. Oh! Come on, Zidane. Do your dance too. Do your dance too. Good job, Zidane. Guys, if you think Zidane did awesome, give this video a big thumbs up. Hi, guys. Today we are going to be doing a super fun challenge. So, the challenge is that we are going to spin a wheel. So on the wheel there's either slime, balloon, or water.
So S stands for slime, B stands for balloon,
And
W stands for water.
yeah. Okay, and we have here the water balloons. And we have here the slime. So whoever lands on slime, say I have to put slime in here and dump it on that person. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Woohoo! Okay, so who's gonna spin first?
Sit down.
Okay, Zidane. Go Zidane spin. Balloon! Okay. So should I just put 1, 5, 10? Oh, my God. That one already popped. What? Okay, so I'm gonna put.
That's not fair.
Sit. It's not gonna dump yet. 1, 2. How many guys should we put? 3, 4. Okay, that's enough. 5.
One more.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay, Zidane, are you ready? You're ready, Zidane? Okay.
And 5.
4, 3. Oh! How does it feel?
Yes, cool.
Cold. Okay. Okay. So Heidi's turn. Go. Good job, Zidane. You did it. High five. Woo! Slide, 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 slide. Show us the slime, Hadil.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Woo! Okay.
ready?
Go, Heidi.
Heidi, sit down.
Can I dump it for her?
Hadil is the host.
That's enough, please, please.
Heidi, just sit down. Okay, that's it. That's it. Sit down.
No.
Okay, come on. 2, 5. We have to do 5. 3. Oh. Go ahead, Hadil. 3. 4. How old are you, Heidi? So I think we should put 7.
Yes.
Okay, 5. That's it.
Oh, I don't get 6.
Okay, 5. I think
Wait, I
that's
did
enough.
6 for Zidane. Remember?
Oh,
6.
okay.
No.
Okay, Heidi, sit down. Okay, Heidi, are you ready? Yeah? Okay, on 3, 2, 1. Wow! Good job, Heidi! You did it! Good job! High 5, Heidi. Slimy hands. 5. Good job.
Okay.
Okay, she did it. Okay, so that's her.
I don't know.
Come on, Zidane.
5.
Yes! God, this boy is lucky. Okay, balloons. This time we're gonna put him 10 balloons.
What?
Okay, guys, so Zidane's birthday is tomorrow. Wish him a happy birthday. So since he's turning 10, we're gonna put him 10 balloons.
6.
Why 10?
Because your birthday's
7.
tomorrow. Good?
No.
9,
I think 9 because I'm 9.
10. Tomorrow you're turning 10.
Ready?
Double number. Okay.
And 5, 4, 3.
Okay.
That wasn't bad.
Not me.
This is the number 9, 10 years old. Good?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, Heidi's turn.
Okay. Guys, Hadil said that she doesn't want to get wet. So that's why she's not doing it and she wanted to be the host. So Hadil, I think she should take a turn.
No,
Come
no.
on, Hadil, take a turn. Hadil,
Stop,
Hadil,
stop,
Hadil,
stop. I'm not
Hadil,
doing it.
Hadil. Okay, so guys, it's Heidi's turn.
Is it on my head?
Go, Heidi.
Go, Heidi, go.
Do you think that Heidi's gonna get slime again? Oh, water. So that's good. Yeah, so you could clean up. Okay.
Alright, so
Okay, water. Okay, you wanna sit down?
the hose.
Not yet.
Yeah, sit
I
down,
want to
sit
see how
down.
much water she puts.
Yeah, she's not gonna put a lot, okay? Just half of it. Woohoo! Okay, that's it. That's enough. Yeah. Okay, Heidi, sit down.
Alright.
Come on, Heidi, let's clean you up.
I think that's 7 drops.
Are you ready?
Okay, ready?
Hopefully it's not
More
too
than
cold.
7 drops.
Okay, sit down.
Oh, so it's warm.
Yeah?
Did I feel?
We're
Gonna feel a little bit, but not that.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, sit down, Heidi.
And 5.
4.
cold.
Is it? How do you feel, Heidi?
Cold.
Okay, sit down.
Okay, awesome job. But you know what? You
It
did
looks like
clean
a
up.
here.
You did clean up, Heidi, so well. Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, Zidane,
This was worth it. Like,
last round?
let's run.
Oh my God.
Or you in slime? Slime, 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 slime.
Okay, ready? So this time I'm gonna do 11.
No, he's 10, so you only do 10.
No, not 10.
Okay, come on, sit down, Zidane.
Ready? Okay.
That's enough.
Oh, whoa, that's
One.
1, 2,
That's enough. That's
No,
enough.
it's not.
Yes, it is.
5, baby, 5. 3.
Actually, 6 because I got 6.
Ooh.
4.
Double 4. That's it, Hadil. That's it. That's it.
That's so much.
That's it.
Stop.
5.
5. That's it, Hadil. That's it. Oh my God.
No, that's it.
No.
No, this is perfect.
This
This is
is perfect.
perfect.
This is perfect.
Come on, Zidane. We're celebrating your birthday. You can do it, Zidane. Slime, slime. Come on, Heidi. 3, 2, 1, go. Slime, 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 slime. Oh! Woo! Come on, Zidane. Do your dance, do. Do your dance, do. Good job, Zidane. Guys, if you think Zidane did awesome, give this video a big thumbs up.
No.
Ooh. We came to the end of the video. It's time to say bye, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put this video
Big thumbs up.
like, share, subscribe.
And guys, don't forget to comment down below if you like Zidane getting slime on his head. He was brave. So give this video a big thumbs up, guys. And don't forget to follow us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, under AZ Soup Kids Fun for daily snaps. Bye. Yes, and Musically.